Welcome to Cyber Puppy's Monstrous Media Kit. This tutorial will help you become familiar with many of our exciting features. As soon as you launch Cyber Puppy's Monstrous Media Kit, you're ready to begin your production. You'll see our animated control panel and your first blank page. You can begin your story by clicking on the treasure chest. This brings up a treasure chest browser containing hundreds of full-color photographs and illustrations. Clicking once on any picture will add it to the My Story area. Click OK when you're done. Your treasure chest pictures arrive on the page layered one on top of another. To move a picture from one layer to another, click on the picture and select a Move command from the Page menu. Here we've moved the dolphin to the back layer of the page. To add text, click on the big letter A in the control panel and begin typing. To alter your text, highlight what you've typed and choose from a variety of options under the Text menu. If you would like to add sound to your page, click once on any picture or text object, then click on the Sound button in the control panel. To record, simply click on the Record button and speak into your computer's microphone. Click on the Stop button when you're done. You can also import sounds. To add a new page to your story, choose the Add Page command under the Story menu. You will get a new blank page. On our new page, we've added some items from the Zany Cartoons treasure chest. To add a photo CD picture, load a photo CD into your CD-ROM drive and click once on the photo CD icon. Our photo CD browser makes it easy to select your photo. When your photo appears on the page, it can be handled just like any other graphic object. Here we've moved our photo one layer back behind the chair. Double-clicking on any picture brings it into the paint box. The paint box has many standard paint tools and our unique cookie cutter technology. To try a special effect, click and hold your mouse down on the star-shaped selection tool, then choose one of the 20 shapes. Click and drag the shape over a portion of your picture, then hit the Delete key. To fill your cookie cutter shape with color, first select a fill color from the bottom rainbow palette. Then click once on the Paint Bucket tool and once again inside your new shape. To remove the background from your picture, use the lasso tool to select the portion of the picture you want. You can then use your mouse to move it to a new area. Click on the rectangular selection tool and drag a box around your image. Send your picture back to the page by clicking on the mailbox. Look how great this photo looks now. Let's try one more cool thing before we finish this page. Click on the paint icon to return to the paint box. Have fun painting using a variety of shapes and colors. Then choose your favorite cookie cutter shape and drag it across your painting. Then click on the mailbox to send it back to the page. There now, our first page is almost complete. You can still add a background color, text, and sound. The storyboard feature allows you to reorder the pages of your story. Simply click and drag thumbnail versions of each page. Here's a storyboard of this tutorial. Double-clicking on any page in the storyboard brings up a choice of transitions. Clicking on the Options button in the storyboard lets you adjust the time delay between pages in your slideshow. To run your slideshow, simply click on the Play Story icon. Save your story as a Monstrous Media Kit slideshow or a QuickTime movie. You can even print your story and give it to family and friends. Remember, story making with Cyber Puppy's Monstrous Media Kit is fun. Send us your stories so we can share them with others.